You're welcome to African Dish 101, and today we are going to be preparing Banga soup. Before we start, let me introduce you to Banga soup. Banga soup is a native soup to the Niger Delta of Nigeria, and it is commonly eaten with starch, pounded yam, semolina, gari, fufu, and even rice. The palm oil used in Banga soup is different from the red palm oil used in Nigerian food recipes. Palm oil used for Banga soup is extracted at a very low temperature and is a mixture of oil and water, and it contains less saturated fats. The ingredients we need for preparing this special soup called Banga are palm kernel, onions, pepper, scent leaves, ugu leaves, dried fish, crayfish, stockfish, and these of course are already cooked stockfish, Banga spice, you can easily get this from the market, salt to taste, and seasoning cubes. Also we have assorted meats. We have pomo, cow leg, and beef, and of course shaki. So let's start the cooking. The first thing to do when preparing your Banga is to boil your Banga seeds, and you have to do that for about 20 minutes. As you can see, we are already boiling our seeds. In case you don't want to go to the stress of having to boil your palm kernel seeds, you can get the concentrate from the market. Now let's go and pound the seeds. The next stage is to pound the Banga and extract the oil. When you are doing so, ensure that you don't add too much water. What I'm doing is using the water that was used to boil the Banga together with my meat stock to wash the Banga seeds. This will give it more flavor. The Igbos call this soup ofiaku. You can see we are extracting the juice or the sauce from our Banga, and this is what we are basically going to use to make the soup. Lest I forget, when you are preparing your Banga, ensure you wash your seeds thoroughly to eliminate sand and stones, and also wash your mortar and pestle if you are using one. You are straining the concentrate to eliminate the shafts, so we can get our Banga. We are using warm water to wash our banga so we can extract our banga juice properly. This is the result. After the extraction, you bring your banga oil to the gas to cook. Then you start adding your ingredients one after the other. Now start with the meat. Our stockfish, our cow leg and pomo, our crayfish, we'll cover and allow it to simmer for a while. Now we are going to cut our onion. It's always good to add plenty onion to your banga soup to give it a nice taste and aroma. I'm using two onion bulbs, and I've added about 2 onion bulbs to the meat when I was boiling it. To prepare your banga soup, it will take you at least an hour or an hour and a half. We are going to pound our onions and our pepper. You can also blend your pepper and onions or slice them if you don't have a mortar. But pounding it to give it a unique and a local taste. Now let's cook our pepper. Then we add to our already boiling banga and stir. We are going to wash our fish with hot water and some salt to eliminate hidden insects and dirt. Now we are picking our scent leaves. We wash it thoroughly and slice. Now we are going to slice our scent leaves. after washing. You can use fresh scent leaves or dried scent leaves, but it's always better to use the fresh leaves. Now we are going to add our Banga spice. You can lower your heat. And stir. Next is our scent leaves. Ugu leaves, washed ugu leaves. Seasoning cubes, salt to taste, and lastly I'll be adding a dried fish. I didn't put this initially so it doesn't scatter in the soup. I used 2 cubes of seasoning because I had already added some when I was boiling the meat. As you can see, our soup, our Banga soup, is almost ready. Now we are going to leave our soup to simmer for another 2 minutes. And now you can see our Banga soup is ready. Now I'm going to serve it. Now your Banga soup is ready. You can eat it with semo, eba, pounded yam, poundo yam, oatmeal, wheat, or even rice. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Enjoy.